Poke holes in a bottle with a fork, and it will completely transform your bathroom. Say goodbye to constantly adding toilet cleaner and try this brilliant trick. First, heat a fork over the stove for about 10 seconds until it becomes hot. Then, gently press it into a plastic bottle filled with liquid cleaner, creating several evenly spaced holes with ease. The heat softens the plastic, making it simple to get perfectly sized openings. Now, place the prepared bottle inside the toilet tank, submerging it in water. Flush and watch the magic happen. With every flush, a small amount of cleaner will be released, keeping your toilet fresh and clean for longer. This method keeps your bathroom smelling great, eliminating the need for expensive air fresheners. It's a quick, cheap, and effective way to maintain long-lasting freshness. Try it once, and you'll never go back to traditional methods.